Guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the Sweet Hippy Dippy Painter Man and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Alright, so today I'm going to try another cloud pour. I got my recipe from Garrick Brown, from Garrick Brown's Art Studio. It's one of the 4 recipes he had on that video that I've been talking about in my last few videos. I will link the description, or I will put the link in the description. It is the Artist Loft Soft Body white with the Deco Art Satin Enamel, and then just water to consistency. I'll have that in my description as well. So I am just going to play some music. I'm going to throw some colors in. They're all mixed with American Floetrol. And we are going to rock this and see what we can come up with. Wish me luck. But let's do this.
If you want to see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like, don't wanna act like, don't wanna be like, don't wanna act like, and I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like, don't wanna be like, don't wanna act like, don't wanna be like, don't wanna be like, don't wanna act like, don't wanna be like you. 5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore. No, I just want to say hello and do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. We'll be going all night.
Yay, I did it. I got clouds. Woohoo. All right, so I'm going to wipe off the drips, and I'm going to give this just a few minutes here, and I will just bring you guys down for a close-up. Yay. I'm so excited. All right, guys, here she is with the light on. I think she turned out really cool. I got lots of clouds. I like it. Much better than the last one I did. Not exactly awesome on the composition, but it'll get better. It just takes a little practice. I think the next one will be even better, but I'm super happy and excited to at least have gotten the clouds. So I'm going to show you this with the light off as well. All right, so here she is with the light off. I really, really, really like it. Please tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them there as well. Thank you to Garrick Brown for his recipes. We'll have his link and everything, that video in the description. Up next is Shannon Baxman. Don't go anywhere. We have a lot left for you. Have a great day or great night, wherever you guys are. You know I love you to pieces, and I will just see you on the next one. Bye, guys.